Welcome. In today's guide, we'll walk you through a simple and effective way to slow down a voice message on WhatsApp web using a keyboard shortcut. This method is perfect for those who want to carefully listen to important details in a voice message. Let's get started. First, open WhatsApp web on your PC. You can do this by visiting the official WhatsApp web page in your browser and scanning the QR code with your phone to log in. Next, navigate to the chat where you have received the voice message you'd like to slow down. Once you're in the chat, locate the specific voice message and click on the play button to start listening. Now here's the trick. While the voice message is playing, press Shift plus comma on your keyboard. This shortcut will reduce the playback speed of the voice message, allowing you to hear it more clearly and at a slower pace. That's it. By following these steps, you can easily control the playback speed of voice messages on WhatsApp web. It's a great way to ensure you don't miss any important information in your conversations. Thank you for tuning in, and we hope this tutorial has been helpful. Enjoy using this handy feature.